Hello everyone, DigiTime report reveals that Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company is expected to rise its cost for advanced sub-7 nm and 16 nm process technologies, which results in rise of overall manufacturing cost. It will mainly affect Apple's upcoming products and other clients of TSMC, because Apple is solely dependent on TSMC for all kinds of processors used in its products. In addition to Apple, this will also impact other companies such as AMD, Intel, Qualcomm, and others. According to the information, the price hike will come into effect from the beginning of 2022. However, TSMC already aware its consumer for this price hike, and it will mainly have an impact on the price of CPUs, GPUs, SoCs, and other controllers. Specifically, TSMC has planned to raise the price of its 7 nm process by 10%, whereas the wafer process using 16 nm will face a 20% increase. This new price will be applicable for the orders starting from December 2021. At the moment, it is unknown that how this inflation will affect the companies, and they will increase the overall product cost or may reduce their profits. That's it for today. If you like this video, then press the like button, comment below, press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to visit @Newsroom.